Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Today, we're not gonna be here long. Just a quick video of another accessory that I have came across on Instagram, tried it out. Just want to give you my thoughts on it, right? But first off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube. So, today we're gonna talk about the Easy Clips. I don't know if you've seen them, seen anybody talk about them. So these are Easy Clips. These are supposedly universal guards that fits on every clipper, no matter if it's a Wall, a Andis, Oster, Beyblade. It fits on everything. Every blade that you want to use, that you use on a clipper, these should fit it, right? These are $49.99. $49.99 for a pack of guards, and it only goes from the 0 guard to the 3 guard. Now, I also say a lot of the times that the biggest guard that I usually use is maybe a 2, maybe a 3, depending on. But for the majority of my cuts, 2 or the 3 are the biggest guards that I use. So this going up to a 3, not necessarily a problem. But for $49.99, a 0.5 up to a 3, kind of pricey, but you know, you charge what you charge. You're the company, right? So these are supposedly guards that fits every clipper that you will use. So as far as these fit and everything, right? I'm gonna go to the 2 guard, right? Put the 2 guard. We got, these are corded masters. Fits fine, right? No wobble at all. When you put them on, it fits perfectly, right? You go to a magic clip, that's where the wobble comes in, right? So yes, these do fit every blade because the magnets is strong, so it fits. And it fits on every blade that you want to use it on. The only problem is for these to be universal guards, they have to be big enough to fit the Masters, the Osters, because they have their own guards. That's why everybody used the double magnetic guards on the Osters, the fast feeds, and these Masters. They have to be big enough to fit those. The problem with you making a guard that fits everything is you run into them being loose on different blades. So this is the Wall Magic Clip. It fits. During the use of it, I had no problem with them falling off. The only problem is that they are a little loose. But the good thing about that is that magnet is very strong. It's not going anywhere. And it cuts. It works. The problem comes in more with the 0.5 and the 1 guard. They are a little thick. You see how much rounded that is? If y'all can see that, how rounded it is at the tips. I like to use the 0.5 guard from Wall because it comes to a small point. It's still rounded, but it's not as rounded as this. That makes these seem a little bit thicker at the tip than it does on other guards. So when they're as thick as these, just like the Beyblade premium guards, I'm not a fan of them because they are thick. So when you feeding through, it don't feed through as smooth, they're bulky, and it don't lay down the hair as good as some of the other guards that I use, which is why I use a 1 guard from Wall, because when I'm going down with the waves, it lays down better, which is why I use a double magnetic guard number 2 from Stylecraft Gamma, because I feel like that lays down the hair much better. It feeds through smooth, it's thin. These to me are a little bit bulky. Putting them on is fine, but I mean, they got a strong magnet, right? They do have a strong magnet. Putting them on is fine. Taking them off, not that it's hard to do. But, you know, depending on which guards you use, it's the taking them off down here that gets in the way, which is not a problem. It works. They're good, right? Overall, these guards are okay. I like the fact that they do fit everything, but you have to, you will lose some of that snug feel on certain clippers when you are using this blade. Now, if you're using them on a fast feed or a master, they're gonna fit snug. They're gonna be perfect because they have to be big enough to fit those while also being able to fit the Babyliss or the regular blades that we, not, I won't say regular blades, but the blades of the the Magic Clips and the Rebels of things of that nature. These just don't fit. That's why the double magnetics from Andis don't fit on other clippers except for Oscars because they're blade, right? I'm rambling. All in all, should you look into getting the easy clips? I say maybe wait, because I'm pretty sure a company like this is a new company. I'm pretty sure a company like this will listen or find out what they might need to fix and make a better product. So I'd say not yet, right? $49.95 for just a 0.5 to a 3 is kind of pricey, but then depending on what kind of clipper that you're using, it becomes loose and it doesn't give that snug fit. Now, if you use, like I said, if you're using a Andis Master or a fast feed, I say these are perfect guards to use. But once you get down to the other clippers, they really don't fit as snug and it don't cut as smooth. It don't feed through the guards. Just on certain guards, just too thick for me, for my personal liking, right? And that's just me. Hopefully this made sense. I just wanted to put this out there. I seen them. They cool. Universal guards, easy clips. Like I said, this is their first go around, I believe. I believe they will. Companies usually take that first step to get it right or see what they need to fix, and then boom, they come out with something else, right? So should you buy them? Not right now. Wait and see if they come out with other versions of them. Maybe the 2.0 version of them, right? That's just my opinion on the easy clips. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And yeah, we'll be back with another tutorial, review, unboxing, all that good stuff. Peace.